In this video, I'm going to show you how to color grade with just one click. And this I'm going to be doing with my color lookup. So to start, all I do is I duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. And once I press my Ctrl J, I click on this adjustment and I click on color lookup. I already know the preset I want to use. So what I do next is I click here and I choose my candlelight cube because this is the look I want. So this is how to color grade with just few clicks. You can see before and after, before and after. If you like this video, please like, share and follow for more videos. Thank you.